Hello viewers, welcome to Basics of Reinforcement Learning, Module 1.3. In this module, we are going to see about the types of reinforcement learning. There are majorly two types of reinforcement learning, positive reinforcement learning and negative reinforcement learning. Positive reinforcement adds appetitive stimulus following corrected behavior. For example, you can give a treat when a dog sits. In case of negative reinforcement, it avoids noxious stimulus. For example, studying to avoid getting a bad grade. In operant conditioning, positive reinforcement involves the addition of a reinforcing stimulus following a behavior that makes it more likely that the behavior will occur again in the future. When a favorable outcome, event, or reward occurs after an action, that particular response or behavior will be strengthened. You can introduce a reinforcing stimulus following a specific behavior in positive reinforcement. Here are some examples of positive reinforcement. Praise. After completion of your project, your instructor shouts like great job. It would be like an encouragement and to continue the same action again. Monetary rewards. At work, sales manager exceeds sales quota. Boss gives a bonus to the sales manager. It is a kind of positive reinforcement. For your online class, you watch a video about artificial intelligence and write a paper about what you learned. If your instructor gives you 5 extra credit points for your work, it is another kind of reward to encourage your work. In each of these situations, the reinforcement is an additional stimulus occurring after the behavior that increases the likelihood that the behavior will occur again in the future. There are many different types of reinforcers that can be used to increase the behavior, but it is important that you note the type of reinforcers used depends on the individual and situation. First, natural reinforcers. These reinforcers occur directly as a result of the behavior. For example, if a girl studies hard, pays attention in the class, and does her homework, it results her excellent grades. Social reinforcers involve expressing approval of a behavior, such as teacher, parent, or employer saying or writing good job or excellent work. These are all kind of social reinforcers. Tangible reinforcers involve presenting actual physical rewards such as candy, treats, toys, money, and other deserved objects. While these types of rewards can be powerfully motivating, they should be used sparingly and with caution. Token reinforcers are points or tokens that are awarded for performing certain actions. These tokens can then be exchanged for something of value. Negative punishment. It is a kind of reinforcement and it is not what it sounds. Rather, negative reinforcement also helps to strengthen a response or behavior. Negative reinforcement is removal or escaping an unpleasant outcome. For example, wearing a sweater to avoid catching cold. In negative reinforcement, a person tries to avoid a negative outcome. Negative reinforcement is proved to be very effective and helps learn a behavior faster. Children will often get a work done to avoid the negative consequences. For example, studying really hard to avoid getting failed in the exams. Putting one's toys at the right place after playing to avoid getting them lost or misplaced. Doing their homework on time to save their television privileges. Eating healthy to avoid falling sick. These are all common examples of negative reinforcement. The next topic is applications of reinforcement learning. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.